God is extending an invitation. Do you have a few minutes for me? If so, watch my divine message till the end. As a humble messenger inspired by Jesus' teachings, I share this profound truth amidst the complexities of existence. Love is the essence of life, binding us all together in a sacred web of interconnectedness. Type 1111. Jesus' message of love echoes through time, resonating with countless souls. His life exemplified compassion, forgiveness, and grace, reminding us of the transformative power of love. In a world clouded by fear and division, let us heed the call of love, extending kindness to all beings regardless of creed or color. Type yes. Amidst life's trials, it's easy to lose sight of eternal truths. However, the essence of Jesus' message can be distilled into one word: love. Love is the cornerstone of existence, connecting all beings in unity and oneness. It transcends barriers and embraces humanity in its warm embrace. Jesus' teachings were not just words, but actions fueled by love. He healed the sick, comforted the afflicted, and forgave those who wronged him. His message reminds us that love is not passive. It requires action and selflessness. Type 555. In a world plagued by division and strife, embodying the message of love is more crucial than ever. Let your actions and words reflect the love within your hearts, serving as beacons of hope in a world shrouded in darkness. Trust in the power of love to overcome obstacles, guided by Jesus' wisdom and love. Please donate us $100 through Super, thanks to support us. As you journey forth, carry the flame of love in your hearts, illuminating the path for all who seek truth and salvation. Remember that love is the greatest gift, bringing peace, joy, and eternal fulfillment. With boundless love and blessings, may the warmth of Jesus' love envelop your hearts, guiding you on the path of love and compassion. In every aspect of your lives, embrace the principles of extending kindness to all beings and standing up against injustice and oppression wherever you encounter it. In a world scarred by division and hatred, embodying the message of love is more crucial than ever. Type 1212. Let your actions serve as a testament to the transformative power of love, capable of overcoming even the greatest of obstacles. May your words be a beacon of hope in a world yearning for healing. As you walk the path of love, remember that you are not alone. God is with you always, guiding you with love and wisdom, empowering you to be agents of positive change in the world. Trust in the power of love to transform hearts and minds, and let it be your guiding light in all that you do. As you journey forth into the world, may you carry the flame of love in your hearts, illuminating the path for all who seek truth and salvation. Always remember that love is the greatest force in the universe, offering peace, joy, and everlasting fulfillment. Beloved friends and followers, let the light of love shine brightly in your hearts, illuminating the path of righteousness and compassion. In your unwavering devotion and steadfast faith, you embody the essence of true discipleship. In a world often clouded by turmoil and uncertainty, return to the timeless wisdom of love that Jesus shared during his earthly ministry. Type, I am ready. Love is the essence of existence, the divine spark that animates all life and connects us in a sacred bond of unity. Embrace love as a call to action, extending kindness to all beings and standing up for justice and equality wherever you encounter injustice. Let your actions and words be a testament to the power of love to overcome division and discord. Know that you are never alone, for God is with you always, guiding you with love and wisdom. As you go forth into the world, may you carry the flame of love in your hearts, bringing hope to all who are in need. And may you always remember that love is the greatest gift of all, offering peace, joy, and eternal fulfillment. With boundless love and blessings, continue to let the gentle whispers of love echo in the chambers of your hearts, illuminating your path and inspiring others along the journey. In a world marred by hatred, it is more vital than ever to embody the message of love. Let your actions serve as a testament to love's power to conquer even the most formidable obstacles, and may your words shine as beacons of hope in a world yearning for healing and reconciliation. As you journey along the path of love, know that you are never alone. God is with you always, guiding you with love and wisdom and empowering you to be instruments of peace and transformation in the world. Trust in the power of love to heal and uplift, and let it illuminate every step you take. Beloved companions, as you venture forth into the world, may you carry the flame of love in your hearts, illuminating the darkness and bringing hope to all in need. Remember always that love is the greatest force in the universe, offering strength, joy, and eternal fulfillment. With boundless love and blessings, may the timeless truths of love and compassion resonate within your hearts, guiding you in unwavering devotion and steadfast commitment to kindness and empathy. In a world often overshadowed by darkness and division, let us return to the foundational teachings of love that bring unity and healing to all. Let your actions bear witness to the transformative might of love, capable of overcoming even the most deeply ingrained hatred and prejudice. May your words serve as beacons of hope in a world yearning for healing and reconciliation. As you navigate life's trials and tribulations, know that you are not alone. I am with you always, guiding you with my love and wisdom, empowering you to catalyze positive change in the world. Type 55555. Place your trust in the power of love to reshape hearts and minds, allowing it to illuminate your path as a guiding light. Beloved companions, as you embark on your journey, may the flame of love burn brightly in your hearts, radiating warmth and light to all you encounter. Remember always that love is the greatest force in the universe, offering strength, joy, and eternal fulfillment. Dear brothers and sisters, as I address you today, may the infinite love that permeates the cosmos envelop your beings, and may the eternal truths I shared during my time on earth resonate deeply within your souls. In your unwavering devotion to compassion and empathy, you embody the essence of true discipleship.